Mouth-watering. Mouth-watering. Something that looks or smells very delicious. I can't wait to taste the mouth-watering food. I can't wait to taste the mouth-watering food. Empty-headed. Empty-headed. Silly, foolish, or lacking intelligence. He is empty-headed, but he is hard worker. He is empty-headed, but he is hard worker. Big-headed. Big-headed. Very proud or arrogant. She became big-headed after getting popular. She became big-headed after getting popular. Red hot. Red hot. Very popular or latest and trendy. He is a red-hot actor in our country. He is a red-hot actor in our country. Cold-hearted. Cold-hearted. Someone who is very mean and doesn't care about others' feelings. They are cold-hearted. They said something wrong to their friend. They are cold-hearted. They said something wrong to their friend. Bitter-sweet. Bitter-sweet. A mix of happy and sad feelings. It was a bitter-sweet moment in the wedding. It was a bitter-sweet moment in the wedding. Heavy-hearted. Heavy-hearted. To feeling very sad, unhappy, or sorrowful. She felt heavy-hearted after failing the exam. She felt heavy-hearted after failing the exam. Short-tempered. Short-tempered. A person who gets angry easily. My boss gets short-tempered when he's tired. My boss gets short-tempered when he's tired. Short-handed. Short-handed. Having fewer people than necessary to do a job or task. This hospital is short-handed. Doctors, needs some doctors. This hospital is short-handed. Doctors, needs some doctors. Red-handed. Red-handed. To catch someone in the act of doing something wrong or illegal. She caught him red-handed with a suitcase. She caught him red-handed with a suitcase. Kind-hearted. Kind-hearted. A person who is caring, compassionate, and always ready to help others. My sister is a friendly and kind-hearted. My sister is a friendly and kind-hearted. Well off. Well off. Wealthy or rich. They are very well off family. They are very well off family. Tight-lipped. Tight-lipped. Someone who is not willing to talk or share information. I stayed tight-lipped about the surprise party. I stayed tight-lipped about the surprise party. Red hot. Red hot. Extremely hot or very angry. My tea is too red hot, I will drink it a few minutes later. My tea is too red hot, I will drink it a few minutes later. Two-faced. Two-faced. A person who is fake or dishonest, who says one thing but does another. I soon learned that he was two-faced. I soon learned that he was two-faced.